Wife and son extorts money from the husband.
Yes, my lord. My passport has been impounded. I have a business plot. Have more than 200 cars are in the.
200 cars.
Please, my lord, I am doing the transport business at Qatar. Now this wife is taking care of entire company.
Oh, you are here and she is there.
Yes, my lord. She had transferred. They forcefully restrained me and they filed a complaint before the embassy.
It's a clear case of using the child for collateral purposes of settling the score with the husband and nothing else. 200 cars.
Lord, the petitioner,
Ah,
the daughter filed a complaint on 11/4/2026.
ah.
Lord, with an allegation that there was a allegation of Section 8 of POCSO Act in the year 2025.
Ah.
Prior to that, Lord, I have filed a complaint at Qatar, wherein, Lord, the allegation is against wife and son. They had extorted the money and they
From you,
insisted me to.
From you.
Please.
Wife and son extorts money from the husband.
Yes, my lord. And there is complaint was registered, the embassy has registered, and there is investigation is going on.
Why did you allege extortion against your wife?
Lord, they created a GPA, wherein, Lord, there are 40 properties having, they insisting
Alot
to.
properties in
Yes,
India.
Lord. I produced that documents also.
Okay.
That is in Kerala and Karnataka. And he is a businessman in Qatar, my lord, having a transport business. And he is running those transport business from last 35 years.
Again problem.
Now the FIR came to be registered in the year 2026 for an incident of 2015 saying that Section 8,
15 or 25?
25.
Ah.
And Lord, I filed a complaint on at Annexure C in the year prior to 2 months prior to the
POCSO
incident.
offense ಏನು? Against your son.
No, against me, the father.
Against you,
the daughter.
but daughter.
Please.
How old is the daughter?
So 14 years. Kindly see the
Section
allegation.
8 or 4 or 6?
Section 8. Kindly see the
Sexual
allegation.
harassment.
How? Kindly see the allegation, Lord, at para 2 of the complaint at Annexure B. Lord, now I have obtained an anticipatory bail. My passport has been impounded. I have a business plot. Have more than 200 cars are in the.
200 cars.
Please, Lord, I am doing the transport business at Qatar. And she is insisting not to transfer the entire property. The GPA have
Wants
produced.
200 cars.
Yes.
Wife.
Now this wife is taking care of entire company.
Oh, you are here and she is there.
Yes, they insisting, they are impounded.
Early, we'll take it in 2027.
No, Lord, my
Wife is taking care of the company.
No, Lord, she had transferred. They forcefully restrained me and they filed a complaint before the embassy. Embassy has directed to me to the police protection even prior to filing this complaint. Kindly see that complaint also, Lord.
Heard the Learned Council. ನೋಡಿದಿರಾ? ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಇದೆಯಾ?
They kindly see the allegations, Lord, at page number, Annexure B at page number 40.
Come to page 14 and 15, madam.
That is in the year 2025, the second paragraph, Lord.
It's a clear case of using the child for collateral purposes of settling the score with the husband and nothing else. 200 cars. The petitioner runs a transport company in Qatar. Doha la elle?
Qatar anta ಇದೆ.
Qatar is a country, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
place.
In Doha. Yes. The petitioner and the second respondent are husband and wife.
Daughter and father.
Daughter.
Complainant is the daughter as she has filed a complaint.
Allah, second respondent is the daughter, is the wife. Wife tane idu.
Complainant is wife. Please.
ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಇರಿ sir. The second respondent, complainant, is the wife of the petitioner. The fulcrum of the complaint is ingredients of Section 8 of the POCSO Act. The incident is said to have happened on 21/7/2025. A complaint comes to be registered on 11/4/2026. 2026, 9 months after the registration of the complaint, after the alleged incident. Plethora of incidents have happened in the interregnum. The petitioner owns a business in Doha of transportation business in Doha, in which the Learned Council for the petitioner submits. He owns fleet of cars. The fleet is 200 in number. The eyes on the business is on the complainant lays an eye on the business and is now taking care of the business. As the petitioner, after coming to India, has not been able to go back to Doha. Therefore, projecting these projecting these allegations, which were by then stale of 1 year, stale by 1 year, has sought to register the crime. In that light, in that light, there shall be an interim order of stay of further investigation qua the petitioner till the next date of hearing. How will the wife come?
One more prayer application I filed to travel abroad. My passport has been directed to surrender.
Separate application
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Get DSGI. Stay kodi.
The documents I annexed.
No
my
problem.
Visa and everything I annexed.
Serve a copy on Shanti Bhushan and get him. Yes,
Please.
As the hearing continued, the court examined a matrimonial dispute involving a Qatar-based businessman who alleged that his wife and son gradually took control of his wealth and business. According to the petitioner, they obtained a general power of attorney over nearly 40 properties and assumed control of his transport company, which operates more than 200 vehicles, effectively sidelining him from the business he had built over the last 35 years. The petitioner further claimed that after he filed a complaint with the Indian embassy alleging financial exploitation by his wife and son, his daughter lodged a complaint against him under the POCSO Act. He maintained that the allegations are completely false and were made only in retaliation to strengthen his family's control over his assets. The petitioner also informed the court that his passport has been impounded, preventing him from returning to Qatar and creating serious personal and financial difficulties. The court heard the rival submissions as the matter continues for further consideration.